Hey guys, how you doing? I'm on my lunch break right now. I just finished lunch actually, and I'm going back to work. I'm near Namba right now, riding my bike down the street. This is like a major street right here. See a lot of people ride their bikes here, get around by bicycle. It's easier. Now, driving is such a pain in the ass here. There's no parking, or you have to pay for parking. No free parking, that's for sure. Traffic, stoplights every block. Cool, I got a green light. These yellow things here are for the, what do they call them? Vision impaired people. Yeah, so I had about an hour and a half break, and I was looking for some good curry, but my favorite place called Joto Kare was closed, so I went to a different place and I got the large size, the biggest size. That was a joke. It wasn't even enough, but it was pretty tasty. Oh, I love miso soup. Got some miso soup. I don't eat that enough. That was really good, and got my veggies in and got a salad. Pretty chill work schedule today. Work in the morning and then have a long break and then finish up in the afternoon. A lot of downtime, so it's comfortable. Yeah, it's real convenient having a bicycle. I can just, hopped. I just went down towards Namba for my lunch break and looked for a place to eat, but not central Namba because too many people. I don't like to be in very crowded places, but I just went to the outskirts of Namba and I found a. That's the thing, when you go and eat at a new place, like you never know if you're gonna get enough food or if it's gonna be good, so you're always taking a risk. But I think my whole meal together was like 800 yen. So not too bad. But I bet in America, like for 800 yen, which would be about, what, $6.50 US? Or maybe $7 US? You probably get like a lot more food. But like like Nick said, he was in one of my recent videos. Like he said, the quality of the food here, even the shitty places, is usually pretty good. And that's true. That's true. Even when you eat at cheap places here, quality is generally pretty good. There's a little park over here. Now I'm just in a little local neighborhood outside of America Mura, or America Town, which is next to Namba. Just like they have Chinatowns in America, they have America Town here in Japan. I don't go over there often though. Oh, I always see a lot of Africans, like Nigerians, standing in front of those sports shops, trying to hawk customers, or I guess just draw attention. They look so sad though. Like, how the fuck did I end up here in Japan? And they're always checking out the hot Japanese girls. Here's another little park. Alright guys, it's about 4:30. I just finished work. I want to show you the street I'm on right here. It's a cool little street. Yeah guys, I'm just riding home. This is the Shinsaibashi area, I believe. Shinsaibashi Namba area. See, there's a lot of people out here. Getting dark. Not even 5 yet. There's Louis Vuitton over there. Try to zoom in a little. The city is beautiful. This part of it is. Feels like the nightlife, the night lights. It's the Gap. Yeah, it's Sunday, so people are shopping. City people love to shop. Women love to shop. Like, look at this couple here. I bet he brought his girlfriend out to shop. And you see girls just shopping by themselves, girls with their boyfriends shopping, families. God, it's crazy crowded here. I didn't know. What's the deal? Maybe it's because it's Sunday. Not Christmas shopping, I don't think. Oh, lots of tourists here. Crazy. Tons of young people out here. There's a Sega shop right here. I decided to walk around after work. I haven't been here in a long time. I just wanted to walk around and take in the vibes, take in the energy. I used to live around here, man. I miss it. 松本文子さんも生きています。松本文子さんを奪還するぞ。奪還するぞ。沿道の皆様、お騒がせして申し訳ございません。私たち